Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting streaming devices of the year, the all-new Amazon Fire TV Cube. This hands-free streaming media player combines the best of Alexa, cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E technology, and stunning 4000 Ultra HD streaming to take your home entertainment to the next level. If you're considering upgrading your streaming setup, stick around, I've got all the details coming right up. Let's kick things off with a quick unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Fire TV Cube itself, a power adapter, an Alexa voice remote, 2 AA batteries, and an infrared extender cable. Amazon has kept the packaging clean and eco-friendly, which is always a win in my book. The power adapter typically delivers 12 volts and 1.25 amp. This provides a total power output of 15 watts, which is sufficient to power the Fire TV Cube and its features. That plugs into the power input port on the back of the Fire TV Cube. This connector is designed for a secure fit. The cable length is usually around 4 to 6 feet, providing enough flexibility to place the Fire TV Cube near your TV or entertainment center while keeping the adapter plugged into a power outlet. I really don't understand why Amazon includes this empty box. Let me know if you know. The Amazon Fire TV Cube box includes a quick start guide with step-by-step setup instructions, an Alexa voice remote guide explaining the remote's functions and pairing process, and a safety and warranty information booklet detailing safe usage, warranty terms, and regulatory compliance. The Cube is carefully wrapped to ensure it remains pristine during shipping. The device itself is covered in a thin, transparent paper film, which shields its glossy exterior from scratches, dust, and fingerprints. This film is easy to remove. Now, taking a closer look at the Fire TV Cube, it's a sleek, cube-shaped device with a matte and glossy finish. The front houses an LED light bar that lights up when Alexa is activated. On the back, you'll find all the essential ports: HDMI, power, Ethernet, and a USB port for expanded storage or accessories. The Amazon Fire TV Cube is more powerful than previous Fire TV sticks, offering faster performance, 4K support, Dolby Vision Dolby Atmos, hands-free Alexa voice control, and built-in smart home hub functionality. Now let's take a closer look at the Alexa voice remote that comes with the Fire TV. This remote is designed to complement the hands-free capabilities of the device. It's compact and ergonomically designed, fitting comfortably in your hand. The layout includes a directional pad for navigation, playback controls, volume buttons, and dedicated buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix and Prime Video. One of the standout features is the built-in microphone for Alexa voice control. By pressing the Alexa button, you can search for shows, control playback, and even manage smart home devices. For example, you can say, "Find action movies," and Alexa will display a list of options for you. The remote also offers universal control for your TV and soundbar with the power, volume, and mute buttons. You can control these devices without needing multiple remotes. This integration simplifies your entertainment setup, allowing for a more seamless experience. Additionally, the remote uses Bluetooth pairing for a reliable connection and is powered by 2 AA batteries, which are included in the package. Now let's connect the Fire TV Cube to your TV. Start by taking your HDMI cable. I need to mention this is not included in the box. Let's power up the Fire TV Cube. Take the included power adapter and plug the small end into the power input on the cube. Then connect your HD cable. One end goes into the HDMI port on the back of the TV cube, and the other end plugs into an available HDMI port on your TV. The Fire TV cube will power up automatically, and you should see the Fire TV logo appear on your screen within a few moments. Now that the Fire TV cube is connected and powered up, you'll be guided through the initial setup process right on your TV screen. You'll be prompted to choose your language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign into your Amazon account. Let's go through these steps next. It's very simple, just enter all your details. Once everything is set up, you'll be taken to the Fire TV home screen. From here, you can easily access your streaming apps, settings, and content. The top bar shows categories like home, live TV, movies, TV shows, and apps, making it easy to browse your favorite content. Thank you for watching.